Okay, first question you have done. What was that? So, work done. So, when a body acted upon a body when acted upon by a force of 20 kgf gets displacement of 1 meter. So, Pratham, question number one, force is how much? 20 kgf. 20 kgf and force. And displacement is 1 meter. So 20 kgf is equal to 20 into 10 Newton, right? So the work done is equal to 200 Newton, 200 Newton into 1 meter. It means 200 joule, right? 200 joule. This much is work. This is at page number 28, question number 1. Okay, Pratham, you send him a copy of this. What you send to me, send her to also. Should I send? देखो शायद आ गया. Good. So, okay, fine. So, up by the force, so calculate the work done by the force when displacement is in the direction of air. This is when in the direction of, but conditions are given here. You people are not reliable. When force is direction of force and direction of displacements are same. So theta is equal to 0 degree. So W is equal to Fs. Oh, sorry. Fs cos theta. So it becomes Fs cos 0 degree. So it is 200 into 1 into 1. Cos 0 degree is 1. So it becomes 200 joule, right? And second condition is when angle at 60 degree. Question number. So second part is when theta becomes 60 degree, right? So W is equal to Fs cos 60 degree. So force is 200 Newton and displacement is 1 meter into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. So it becomes 100. So 100 Newton meter or 100 joule. Right? And what is next? Normal to force. Normal to force means perpendicular. When third condition, when when displacement is normal to force, normal to force, then theta is equal to 90 degree. So W is equal to F Fs cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree. So when, so it means when cos 90 is equal to 0, so Fs into 0 is equal to 0. So work done is 0. Okay? Done. All of you have done. Okay, come to the last question. You got it? Come to the last question. Yeah, this is the question. Question number 16. Should I rub this? Hmm. A boy takes 3 minutes to lift a 20-liter water bucket from a 20-meter deep well. Right? क्या है? There is a boy. Question number 16. There is a boy, right? There is a boy who takes 20 minutes. Sorry, who takes 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes to raise 20 liter to from 20 meter deep well, 20 meter deep well. Okay, and while his father does it in 2 minutes. So there is a father in 2 minutes raise 20 liter water to a height of 20 meter, right? 20 meter, 20 meter, fine. So work done. Work done is W is equal to, so we have to compare, right? So work is Not depend. Work is independent of time. Work is independent, independent, independent of time. Right? Depends upon depends upon force and displacement. So both will do same work. Therefore, both will do both will do same work. So W1 ratio W2 is equal to 1 is to 1. Fine. And power. Power is depending upon time. Right? And since power is depending upon time, as power is depending upon time and work is so we can write P1 is equal to W upon T1, right? And P2 is equal to W upon P2. Since W is constant, so we can write P1 is equal to P2 T2 as W work is constant. Both are doing same work. Work is constant, right? तो क्या हो जाएगा P1 upon P2 is equal to T2 upon T1, right? So if we take father as P1, father is P1, right? Father is P1 and son is P2. It is P. What happens? P2. So we can write here P2. So here it is P2 is 3 minutes. No. Hmm. So what we do? Sorry. This is just intervention of. Otherwise there is no problem. So if we take P1 is equal to boy, right, and P2 is as a father, so T2 is 2 minutes. So that's why their ratio will be 2/3. Father do a work. It is P2 time he takes 2 minutes, and P1 he takes 3 minutes. So we have taken three. So 2:3 ratio. So P1 ratio P2 is equal to 2:3. If where boy is to father, boy is to father, right? And time is father time, boy upon time is father upon boy, right? Father takes 2 minutes and boy takes 3 minutes. 2:3 ratio, right? Okay. Now, second part is how much work is done. Okay, how much work is done? Should I rub this? Just to wait. Okay, we are waiting. So, question number 16. Oh, question number 16, part 2. Now it is, no, 16, part 2 is, part B is how much work is done. How much? How much work is done. So what you do, uh, density of water is equal to 1000 kilogram per meter cube, right? Or volume is 20 liters, right? So 1 meter cube is 1000 liter is 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. So 20 liter is equal to 20 upon 1000 meter cube, right? So this 0 and 0 is cancelled off. You get 0.02 meter cube. This is volume. So mass is equal to density into volume, right? So 1000 into 0.02 becomes 20 kg. Hello. Yeah, it's 20 kg, right? Then what it is asking for? And G is 9.8. And G is 9.8. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second. So force is equal to m into G. So 20 into 9.8. How much? है ना? 10. It becomes 196 Newton, right? 100 196 न्यूटन, है ना? तो अब क्या हो जाएगा? सो वर्क इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट, राइट? दिस इज फोर्स and displacement is 20 meter. 20 meter. So W is equal to F into S. So we can write 196 into 20. How much we get? 0, 2 6 are 12, we get 1, 2 8 are 19, 2 9 are 18, 1 19, we get 1 and 3. Right? This is 3000 3920 joule, right? Or we can say it 3.92 kilojoule. Kilojoule, right? I hope you understand. Hello. From where? This second one. Second one you are saying how much work is done. They are asking for how much work is done. So for work done, what you need? You need for work done you need force into displacement. And what is force? Force is equal to m into g, right? And m is equal to density into volume into g, right? So density is given us, volume is given us, and g is given us. So by multiplying we get force, right? When we get force, then we use this formula of work done. We put the value of force and displacement and we get joule. Is it? अभी ठीक है? Hmm? I hope you understand. Hmm. 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 You should learn to make the things difficult. There may be chances that they won't give you. You should know the density of water, density of mercury at least. Okay, should I rub this? Yes, I'm going to rub. So now we have next question, that is question number 15, right? What is that? Question number 15 is like this, that a man raises mass of 50 kilogram to a height of 2 meter in 2 seconds. Suppose this is the ground and this is a height. There is a man, right? And he lifted up this is, he is lifting a mass. This is the mass of 50 kg. This is mass of 50 kg. 50 kg at a height of, what is height given to you? That is 2 meter, right? 2 meter. ये इसको रेस इसको इसको ये रेस करता है ऊपर की तरफ, right? He is raising it and time takes is 20 seconds. Fine. He takes 20 seconds. In doing so, he put 20 seconds. He takes 20 seconds. Fine. So what it is asking for, compare the work done and the, okay, while another man raises the same box to the same height in 50 seconds. So there is another man, right? who raises this same mass of 50 kg to same height of 2 meter and time takes 50 seconds. Right. So as I told you, as we know, work is work is independent of time, independent from time. So both will do same work. Both will do same work. Right? That is W is equal to F into S. So what is that? If G is 10 here it is given as G is 10 meter per second square, right? So F is mass into acceleration into S. So mass is 50, G is 10, and displacement is 2 meter. So it becomes 1000 joule. So both will do same work, na? So W1 is equal to W2 is equal to 1000 joule. Getting? This is now what happens? Calculate the okay, work done. Uh, so again, since if we compare, so this is mat T1, this is T2, right? So W, as we say, W1 is equal to W2. Therefore, W1 ratio W2 is equal to 1 is to 1, right? And P1 upon P2 is equal to T2 upon T1. That becomes 50 upon 20. So we can say that P1 ratio P2 is equal to 5 is to 2. Is it correct? Yes. Right? So this is the comparison it is asking for. Compare. Comparison. Right? After that, if it is asking for power, so work done we have find out, calculate the work done and power. So power will be what? Power. Each will use a power. P1 is equal to W upon T1. So it is 1000 upon 1000 joule upon time is 20. So how much? It is 50 watt. 50 watt. And now P2 is equal to W is equal to T2. So it is 1000 upon 50. It becomes 20 watt. 20 watt. Is it okay? Okay, this was question number 15. All of you have done. Do it, do it. Are you getting me what I told you? Okay. Yes, sir, only for sir, or you really understand the things. It's very difficult. But for when I ask, things are not coming like that. I ask definition of work, so totally different. What I told you yesterday. It means no that you miss the train, man. You miss the train. Once you miss the train, then the same train will come next day. So randomly when I ask, I find that it means that there is some difference in understanding. Maybe what I am telling you, you people are not able to understand. Yeah, you are taking it very serious. You have a problem that your teacher is telling you something. I am telling you something in the different definition. So you are in Dalma ki who is correct. There may be chances. But go as per the formula. That is more appropriate. Nobody can cut that definition. No doubt in your home examination they can cut, but in boards exam they will not cut. 100% sure. Home examination may they have a right, so they can do they say ki you are not written properly, this and that. But if you go as per the formula, that is 100% sure and accurate definition. Then try to do the 14. Hello, hello. Done. 15 done. 14th done. Can you read the question? What is question number 14? Hmm. Hmm. So it is similar what we have done in last two questions. So leave it. Come to 13. You do by your own. You try to do your by your own. If you are not able to do, then I'll tell you. It is same what we have done with the last two questions. 15 and 16 we did the same. I hope you will agree with me. So come to question number 13. Question number 13. What is that? ए क्या लिखा है? जल्दी से बोलो क्या लिखा है. If it is same, so do it fast. My God. Question number 13. There is a person A. Bujo. Person A is Bujo. Right? And it is uh, mass 50 kg. Raise, raise, mass 50 kg. In time is 20 seconds. And up stairs. Right? But okay. And another person who is another person is Paheli. Person one is Bujo, person B is Baheli. So she raised the same mass of 50 kg, same mass of 50 kg, and time is equal to 15 seconds, right? So as I told you, as work is work is independent independent of time, depend upon depend upon height and mass, or sorry, height and force. मतलब we can say displacement. Don't go in on my spellings, right? So so work is independent. So W1 work done by A is equal to work done by B, work done by Bujo is equal to work done by Paheli, that is equal to 1:1. Right? And they are talking about power. So PA power by Bujo power by Paheli is equal to TB time taken by Paheli upon time taken by Bujo. So time taken by Paheli is 15 second. 15 second and Bujo has taken 20 seconds. 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are. So it is 3 is to 4. So PA ratio PB is equal to 3 is to 4. Done? Okay. Did you heard about Paheli and Bujo? There. Go through with go through with NCRT books. नहीं for SSC NCRT is useless. नहीं NCRT is useless for ICSC board. A boy weighing 350 Newton and climbs 30 steps. Each step is 20 centimeter in 1 minute. So again, this is Pratham, right? तो ये क्या क्या करता है ये वेइंग ए बॉय वेइंग 350 न्यूटन, इसका जो वेट है, वेट ऑफ प्रथम इज 350 न्यूटन, राइट, एंड he climbs 30 steps, 30 steps each of 20 centimeter. So displacement is, vertical displacement is how much? About 30 into 20 centimeter. It becomes 600 centimeter. So it becomes 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 600 meter is, it is 6 meter. Vertical displacement is 6 meter. Weight is 350. Right? It is weight, not work done. It is a kind of a force. Right? And time takes in 1 minute. Time is 1 minute. That is equal to 60 seconds. Right? I converted all the things in SI units. Right? Now what it is asking for? The work done. How much work Pratham has done? The work done is equal to force into displacement. Force is how much? 350 Newton, and displacement is 6 meter. 0, 6 5 30, 0, 3. Say 3, 6 is 18, 321, 2100 joule. Work is done. And power is equal to work done upon time. So it becomes 2100 upon 60. Right? तो कितना? दादा तो मसला हो गया. अबे भाई यार, क्या बता रहे हो? 6 5 30, 0 3, 6 3 18, 321. 16. ओए हो तो गया यार. 6 3 18, 6 5 30. So 35 watt. Done. Very good. Good. Now come to, should I rub this? Mm, mm. Now question number 11. Do 10. Let you do 11 in homework. Right? The power of a motor is 40 kilowatt. Very nice. Power is 40 kilowatt. Right? Means 40,000 watt. Right? Now, at what speed can motor raise the load of, load is how much? Speak louder. I hope you lost all the energy. 20,000 Newton. Yeah. So how you get velocity? हाँ, स्पीड स्पीड मीन्स वही वेलोसिटी, स्पीड हो गया ना। तो बाबू अब क्या करेंगे, तो मसला बहुत गंभीर हो गया। F इज इक्वल टू, देखो P इज इक्वल टू W अपॉन T। टाइम इज गिवन, टाइम नॉट गिवन, नो नीड टू टाइम मैन। दैट इज वर्क, सुनो तो यार, अरे सुनो तो भाई, वर्क इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम। दिस इज इक्वल टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम कैन बी स्पीड, स्पीड और वेलोसिटी, राइट। लेमन टर्मिनोलॉजी में दे आर सेम, so we can write P is equal to F into V. This is a formula. So V is equal to P upon F. P is 40,000 watt, and watt, oh my god, watt को हमें लाना पड़ेगा जूल पर सेकंड में, एंड जूल मीन्स किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर, है ना। रेज टू द पावर 3, and force is how much, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000 न्यूटन मीन्स किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर। तो किलोग्राम किलोग्राम गॉन, मीटर एक चला गया, सेकंड एक चला गया, तो अब आपके पास बचा मीटर पर सेकंड, और ये पांच जो 4 जीरो आर गॉन, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, तो वेलोसिटी टू स्पीड इज इक्वल टू 2 मीटर per second. Done? Did you understand everything? Very nice. Come to question number 8. Should I do this? Definitely I should. Question number 8. Yeah, what is that? Oh my god. This you can do. Okay, anyway. A pump is used to lift 60 kilogram of water from a depth of 75 meters in 10 seconds. So there is a pump which pull out pull out. This is also a very good question. It can come in your exams. 60 kg, 60 kg, right? And height and displacement, vertical height, मतलब vertical displacement is equal to, बोलो भाई, 75 meter, and it takes time of 10 seconds. 10 seconds. ठीक, तो वर्क आउटपुट वर्क आउटपुट वर्क आउटपुट is equal to force into displacement. Force, and G is given you 10 meter per second. So that is 600 into 10 into 75. How much? How much it is? Do it, do it. 6 fives are 30, 3. 6 sevens are 42, 3 45. Three zeros are there. So it becomes 4.5 into 10 ki power 5 joule, right? Or we can write 4 lakh 50,000 joule. Work is work output. मतलब this much work is output, right? And power कितनी हो गई? Power is equal to work upon time, right? So it is doing in 4 lakh 50,000 work. He is doing in 10 seconds. So it is 45,000. It means 45 kilowatt. Is it correct? 45 kilowatt. Right. Now, point of consideration, which you have not studied till yet. It is given you efficiency. Efficiency is 40%. Right? Matlab, whatever the input is given, right? Work input, work input, sorry, work output, work output is 40% of work input. 40%, 40 upon 100 into work input, right? So how much work is coming out? The work is coming out is 4 lakh 50,000. 4 lakh 50,000 work is coming out, and that is equal to 40% of work, which is the work we are doing on it. So into work input, work input, right? So this 0 and 0 is cancelled off, and when you divide this, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 10. Two zeros, right? And when you cross multiply, this 1 0 will also there, so it is 1 lakh. नहीं, 4 1 जा 4, फिर 4 1 जा 4, फिर 4 2 जा 8, फिर 4 5 जा 20, so two zeros, it is there. So it is how much? Yeah, it is 11 lakh. नहीं यार, so something I am doing wrong. 4 lakh 50,000 है ना? Can you calculate it, please, please, please? Can you calculate 4 lakh 50,000 divided by 4? 1 4, then 5 1, then we have taken 0, it becomes 2 8 2, we have taken this 0, it becomes 5, after that two zeros, right? So this is Vanja, and when we calculate it, that is 11 lakh 25,000, 25,000, right? Joule. So work is there, but it is not appropriate. when we take in kilowatt. Okay. What is asking for? Power, na? Power, हाँ, power rating. Sorry. So 11 lakh 25,000 joule work is done, right? So power is equal to 11 lakh. Work is 11 lakh 25,000 divided by 10 seconds. Joule per second. One zero is cancelled out. So power is 1 lakh 12,500 watt, right? So, uh, so this is so now when we take in kilowatt, so P is equal to 1 lakh 1 lakh 12,500 watt. So it becomes 112.5 kilowatt. Get it? 1 kilowatt is equal to 1,000. 1,000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt. So that will be 112.5 kilowatt power will be utilized, and work done is 11 lakh 25,000. Right? This is work output. This is sorry work input. This is work. This is work input. Work input is this much. क्योंकि only 40% is converting into output, right? 60% work is done to overcome the internal resistance of the machine. So when you are doing a work of 11 lakh 25,000 joule, then only 4 lakh 50,000 joule is work is coming out. Remaining gone waste in overcome the friction offered by the pump, and that gives a power of 1 lakh, sorry, 112.5 kilowatt. I hope you understand this question. So we have done question 1 and up to question 8, right? This is the most important question of this section. Since you are not very much familiar with efficiency, so this is very important, right? After studying machine, you will be comfortable with that. But till now you have to understand efficiency is equal to work output upon work input. मतलब whatever amount of work is done, and whatever मतलब ratio of work coming मतलब work coming out upon work done. Work मतलब ratio efficiency is work is coming out upon work is done. That is known as efficiency, right? So I hope this much is sufficient for this time.